would take the stars out of the sky for you. Stop the rain from falling if you ask me to. I'd do anything for you, your wish is my command. I could move a mountain when your hand is in my hand. Words cannot express how much you mean to me. There must be some other way to make you see. If it takes my heart and soul, you know I'd pay the price. Everything that I possess, I'd gladly sacrifice. You to me are everything, the sweetest song that I could sing. Oh baby, oh baby. To you I guess I'm just the cloud who picks you up each time you're down. Oh baby, oh baby. You give me just a taste of love to build my hopes upon. You know you got the power, girl, to keep me holding on. So now you've got the best of me, come on and take the rest of me. Oh baby, though you're close to me, we seem so far apart. Maybe given time, you'll have a change of heart. If it takes forever, girl, then I'm prepared to wait. The day you give your love to me won't be a day too late. Oh, you to me are everything, the sweetest song that I could sing. Oh baby, oh baby.
Happy 21st birthday, anak. Kahit malayo ako at hindi kita makasama ngayon sa espesyal na araw mo, lagi kang nasa isip at puso ng daddy mo. Napakabilis ng panahon. Parang kailan lang ay karga-karga pa kita. Ngayon ay isa ka ng ganap na binata. Anak, bilang daddy mo, sobrang proud ako sa iyo. At ang hiling ko lang ay ipagpatuloy mo ang pag-aaral mo, magsikap ka at tapusin mo ito. So lagi mong baunin ang verse na ito, anak, mula sa Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope. And anak, pag napapagalitan ka namin ng mami mo, tandaan mo, dahil iyon sa pagmamahal namin at gusto namin maging responsable at matatag kang bata. Lagi akong magiging #1 supporter mo, anak. So huwag kang susuko sa mga pangarap mo. Patuloy lang na magtiwala sa ating Panginoon Diyos. Mahal na mahal ka ng daddy mo. Happy birthday, anak. God bless you always. I love you. See you soon. Happy birthday, anak.
Happy 21st birthday, Ninong Kyle. Sana humaba pa ang buhay mo at makahanap ka ng jowa na mahalin ka. Happy birthday ulit, Ninong Kyle.
Baka ko pinili mo matutupad pa nga